Let's face the truth. When we feel unattractive or not elegant, we simply head to the store to buy something new. Our closet is already full of clothes we don't like anymore, don't feel comfortable in, or stopped liking immediately after we brought them home. Yet again, we don't like our reflection in the mirror, so we grab our purse and head to our favorite shopping mall. Well, not this time, ladies. This time, we start our transformation from the inside. And yes, the last tip will be about the outfit, but as promised, zero cost. But first things first, no matter what, start each day positively. Smile and say good morning to your spouse, kids, dog, cat, plant, TV morning show host, and of course, yourself in the mirror. This is the simplest trick not only to start the day with a positive vibe, but also to instantly improve your appearance, even when your teeth aren't brushed yet. Keep that smile throughout the day for everyone you meet, whether known or a stranger. Studies show that smiling not only makes you look friendlier and more approachable, but also more confident. Imagine walking into a room and instantly lighting it up with a warm, genuine smile. It sends positive energy all around and draws people towards you. When I walk into the office and sense the atmosphere is down, I make sure to greet everyone I meet with a big smile and a cheerful hello. It works wonders and sets the tone for further discussion. Everybody likes to be around people with a genuine smile. It shows openness, friendliness, and self-confidence. I bet you're smiling right now. Me too. So next time you head out, don't forget to bring along your best accessory, your smile. And please, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It will make my smile even broader. Thank you. Another trick to enhance your attractiveness is perfecting your posture. Standing tall with your shoulders back and head held high exudes confidence and grace. It's like an unspoken statement that you're proud of who you are. Not to mention, good posture makes you appear more poised, healthy, and instantly slimmer. Imagine you are a prima ballerina on the stage. The trickiest part is to sit or bend. Just keep the posture. You are the main star of your life performance. Practice standing against a wall for a few minutes each day. Trust me, it's a small change that makes a massive difference in how people perceive you. Keep yourself well-groomed. Simple habits like keeping your hair clean and styled, maintaining trimmed nails, and having a good skincare routine can do wonders. It's a common misconception that women must have long hair to be perceived as beautiful and feminine. While long, healthy, and voluminous hair can be wonderful, thin or damaged hair may not convey elegance or class. If your hair quality isn't optimal, consider opting for medium or short lengths. Shorter hair can often make you look younger and more chic. Need proof? Just look at Bond girl Halle Berry, or actresses like Charlize Theron, Emma Watson, and Anne Hathaway. What is your favorite hairstyle? Being well-groomed shows that you care about yourself and your appearance, which is always attractive. Take a few moments each day to invest in basic grooming. If you do it properly in the evening, swearing by double cleansing and a good moisturizer, you'll wake up feeling beautiful in the morning. This investment in self-care will pay off in how you feel and how others perceive you. Make sure to check out my other video on how your hands can reveal your class effortlessly. An attractive personality goes beyond looks. Having a positive, upbeat attitude not only makes you more pleasant to be around, but also highly attractive. Practice gratitude, be kind, and spread positivity. Engaging in uplifting conversations and avoiding negativity leaves a lasting impression. The other day, I got stuck in traffic because of an accident on the highway. It threw off my entire schedule. I missed an appointment I was heading to and felt really upset. That's when someone wise told me I actually had a good day because I wasn't involved in the accident myself. It made me realize that everything is about our attitude. It's okay to feel upset, but sometimes all it takes is a change in perspective. Remember, positivity is contagious, and people are naturally drawn to those who exude it. When interacting with others, listen actively and show genuine interest. Being an active listener is incredibly attractive. When you show genuine interest in others, it makes them feel valued and appreciated. People love being heard, but remember, avoid gossiping as it can lower your sense of class. Practice listening more and speaking less. Engage in conversations by asking thoughtful questions and really paying attention to the responses. This practice not only builds better connections, but also makes you seem more engaging and interesting. Always be yourself and embrace your uniqueness. Embracing your uniqueness and being authentic is incredibly attractive because it shows confidence. Celebrate what makes you different and don't try to be someone else. Whether it's your sense of humor, your quirky interests, or your unique style, let it shine through. By embracing uniqueness, I don't mean disregarding everything like dress codes, protocols, or common sense. Saying something outlandish like the earth is flat might make you stand out, but it's not the kind of uniqueness to strive for. Being yourself means not chasing fleeting trends or compromising your values. Remember, there's nothing more attractive than someone who is genuinely comfortable in their own skin. Finally, dress neatly and choose colors wisely. Wearing clean, well-fitted clothes can significantly enhance your attractiveness. You don't need a vast, expensive wardrobe. Just choose outfits that highlight your best features and make you feel good. Don't rush to go shopping right now. Instead, go to your closet, pick your favorite tops and bottoms, and try mixing and matching. You might be surprised by how many outfits you can create from clothes you already own, especially if you take your time. If you ever struggle with putting together a daily outfit, opt for a monochrome look. This style involves wearing pieces of clothing that are all in the same color or shades of the same color. Opting for a monochrome outfit is not only simple, but also effortlessly stylish. It creates a cohesive and streamlined appearance that can make you look polished and put together without much effort. Additionally, wearing monochrome can help you feel more confident as it eliminates the need to coordinate different colors or patterns. It's a versatile choice that works well for various occasions, whether you're dressing for work, a casual outing, or a special event. Also, pay attention to colors. Certain shades complement your skin tone more and can make you stand out. When choosing a monochrome outfit, be careful of the color you select. While black is a classic choice, it isn't always the optimal color for a monochrome look. Black can be quite harsh and may wash out certain skin tones, making you appear paler and more tired. It can also emphasize shadows and imperfections, which might not be the desired effect. Additionally, black can sometimes come off as too formal or severe for everyday wear, limiting its versatility. Instead, pay attention to colors that complement your skin tone. Certain shades can enhance your natural complexion and make you stand out in a positive way. For instance, fair skin tones often look great in softer colors like pastels or jewel tones. Medium skin tones can be flattered by earth tones, rich hues like emerald or burgundy, and warm shades. Darker skin tones can carry bold, vibrant colors like cobalt blue, bright yellows, and rich purples beautifully. Experiment with what works for you. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Remember, stay classy. Manners matters.